In today's video, I'm going to show you how to slow down a voice in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want your narration to sound more natural, easier to follow, or better suited for tutorials, storytelling, or calm voiceovers. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the voice generation page where you normally type or paste your script. Once you're inside the editor, look for the speed slider. By default, this is usually set to 1.0, which is the normal speaking pace. To slow the voice down, simply drag the slider to the left. As you move it left, the speed decreases, and you can choose the pace that sounds best for your project. ElevenLabs lets you go down to 0.7, which is a nice option if you want a noticeably slower and more deliberate voice. Take a moment to test different settings so you can find the right balance between clarity and natural delivery. If you go too slow, the voice may sound a little stretched out, so it's usually best to experiment and listen carefully. Once you've chosen your preferred speed, the final step is to click Generate. ElevenLabs will then apply the new speed setting and create your voice output at the slower pace you selected. After that, just preview the audio and see if it matches the tone you were aiming for. If needed, you can always go back, adjust the slider again, and regenerate until it sounds perfect. And that's it. Slowing down a voice in ElevenLabs is that easy. You now know how to find the speed slider, lower it to the pace you want, and generate the updated audio in seconds. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.